guys, back with Brendan for another week, another video. This week we're going to be working on a fitted sheet and how to fold it. Everybody seems to have an okay time doing the pillowcases, doing the normal sheet, if that's what it's called. But the fitted sheet seems to be kind of pesky, and over years of dedication and studying and practice and failing and just rolling it up into a ball and shoving it into the closet, I feel like I've finally learned how to fold a fitted sheet, so let's give it a try. Today, make sure that before you start folding, we have clean clothes, clean sheets. Make sure that you wash your hands, make sure those are clean. That's important even when there isn't a pandemic going on. So first things first, we're going to grab our fitted sheet, and we want to make sure that all of our seams are on the inside, so we don't want the sheet to be inside out. So I like to just kind of go around, make sure that we're on the inside. Obviously, you'll find that it's a lot more messy on the inside, those seams, because that's where it's been joined. So make sure that those are on the inside. And once again, just kind of work your way around the sheet to make sure that the entire sheet is in there. That's how I like to do it. Then, once we've done that, I like to find the two ends. So obviously our sheet is going to be a little bit longer with how our bed goes. So we want to find the two bottom or two top ends, whichever works. Once again, and this is where we take our hands inside, so that you'll notice that I got my arms on the inside to the point, and we're going to find both of those seams in both of the corners, so right where it would be on the corner of the mattress. Then we're going to give it a little wave, make sure that there's no joints or anything like that, and we're just going to give it one whip and bring it in, bring those two corners together, and on top you'll find that now you kind of have like an envelope. It's a little bit thicker where those seams are joined and where it kind of fits around the mattress at the top. So you'll notice that it's a little bit darker as it's light. So with that, we're going to take that. I find it's easiest to fold it on a bed too, or something with a lot of flat area. And we're just going to brush that, leave those corners. Then, grab the other end, and we're going to do the same thing. Make sure that you're folding the same way, so corner to corner, and you're not getting twisted up in the process. So once again, find those two corners, fingertips, spread it, give it a little bit of a wave, and whip it in. It doesn't have to be perfect on the first try. We're going to get that nice and centered, and then fold and bring those corners together, corner to corner, and this is where we kind of spread it out. Now you'll notice that we do have a really nice fold at the top and a really nice line at the side, but we have all of this extra here. This is where it kind of takes a little bit depending on your sheet. You might have more, you might have less. This is where we're going to kind of take this and tuck it in. So it kind of jars out here, and we're going to tuck it in to make sure that it's nice and flat. It will be uneven, but making sure that it is flat and kind of contours with the rest of our sheet here. So nice and flat, give it a couple spreads, and you'll notice that you're able to see all of the seams on the inside, and it's kind of thicker in some spots and thinner in the others, depending on where we have that sheet. Now, once you have it, you kind of have this weird, obtuse square, kind of weird. We're going to take this, and where we would normally have that nice seam and that nice line to get a nice rectangle, we're going to fold this in here. So all of this extra, I'm going to try that one more time so it doesn't get messy. We're going to fold it in. Now, if you like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over, and that way we have our one side that is super nice and super flat, and our other side that's not so much. And we're going to fold inwards, getting rid of all of this excess. So one. Now, this fold is going to be even along one end, and then since we've folded inwards, you're going to notice that we have that weird curve, or that kind of, it's not really a straight line, but on the inside of our sheet now and on the inside of our fold, to hide that when we're looking at our fold after. So give that a nice little brush down, and then we're going to give it one more corner to corner here, making sure that it's nice and even. Now, here's where we kind of have our sheet, and it looks more like a normal sheet as well. I like to smooth it both sides, make sure that it's nice and flat, nice and and then we're going to give it 3 folds, so kind of like a letter here. And I like to, before I fold, you take your karate chopper, put a nice little line in there, and then it folds a lot nicer over. Once again, smoothing, making it all nice. Give it a nice another little line in there, and one more. And then this is where you kind of have your sheet. You can just kind of work it out, work all of the kinks out. Give it another final smooth on each side. And there we go, folded fitted sheet. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.